he wasn't in his uniform, I'd rock his ass.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Patrol Vlog, Season 4. I know it's been long awaited by many of you. I needed a break, I had to get caught up some stuff, and it's taken me a while to compile some footage. So here we go at it again. As always, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. I've added one more link to the stuff down below, and that's for Venmo. These videos do cost me money to get, so if you guys want to help support the channel, you are welcome to donate there. It is completely optional, but I wanted to throw it out just in case. Alright, so this call that we're on right now started off as a welfare check. It's actually the second time we've been out with this gentleman because his ex-girlfriend has called us saying that he's calling her, making suicidal statements and all kinds of stuff like that. So he's a real gem. Go ahead and watch and see how this unfolds.
Swear to God, cops are here right now for the second time today. I'm gonna get kicked from my fucking motel room. I told her, like, if you do that, I'm gonna get kicked out of my motel room. Like, that would, to a logical person, would seem like, I'm not gonna fucking kill myself. Like, you gotta go, bro. Like, you gotta go. I'm fine. Like, if you don't leave, I'm leaving. You can chase me down the motherfucking street if you want to, but I'm out. Like, you gotta get the fucking cop car out from in front of my house. You're gonna get me kicked out of my shit.
Okay. Well, I have to do my due diligence to figure out what's going on.
There's your due diligence, bro.
Okay. If you want to play like that, then I'll give the hotel staff. I'm not trying to get that.
I'm going to get my shit. I'm being a hotel staff, and I'm walking on the fucking road, bitch.
So right off the bat, here he is not very compliant. He's agitated and just not wanting to let us get a word in edgewise. Now, I'm actually the backup unit on this call. You'll hear a little bit that he calls to check on my status because originally it was a low priority call, but this guy gets a little froggy with him in a little bit, so he asks me to step it up, and then I respond faster at that point. Keep watching, and I definitely want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments down below.
Tell you what, here's the deal. Here's the deal.
This is going to be the deal.
I'm going this way. You push your hands to me if you want to.
Okay, you want to get hands-on then? You want to get hands-on? I'm trying to talk to you.
Brooke.
I'm trying to talk to you.
Listen,
I'm being very cool with you. All right? So have a seat so I can talk to you. Once I figure out nothing's wrong, I'll leave. Simple as that.
I told you nothing's wrong.
I just got here with you, right?
You're going to get me
But I just got here.
You're going to get me kicked in my
You
fucking room.
make yourself get kicked out.
You can't. I didn't do shit.
Have a seat.
No, I'm not having this. No.
Have a seat.
Brooke, listen, this cop's putting his hands on me for no reason. This cop just pushed me for no reason, Brooke. His name is Paulo.
Have a seat.
He's gonna tase me,
Have a
Brooke.
seat.
He's pulling his taser out.
Have a seat.
Brooke. For
Have
what?
a seat.
No,
So I'm trying to talk to you.
I'm not doing anything
Trying
wrong.
to talk to you.
I have, what are you here? I've done
I'm trying to
nothing
talk
wrong.
to you. I have to make a contact.
I have
make sure
done
everything's all right with you.
nothing wrong.
I'm not even
Nothing.
saying that. You're not even hearing
Brooke,
me out.
listen to this. You're listening to this, Brooke, right?
You're not even hearing what I'm
Excuse me,
trying to tell you, right?
He's put his hands on
I'm
me
trying
again,
to talk
Brooke.
to you.
For the second time, he's put his hands on me. I've done nothing wrong.
I'm trying to talk to you.
Brooke, stay on the phone. Stay on the phone.
Talk to you. You have yet to hear me out.
I'm going to record this guy.
You have yet to hear me out.
Don't hang up. I'm going to record it.
You're being recorded as well right now. I'm trying to talk to you. You're not listening to me at all. I have 2 questions to ask you. After those questions, I'm done.
I don't. Here's the thing. Is when you first got here,
okay,
I answered your question.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not.
I have a crazy girl.
I have.
You have a crazy girl.
This is the first time.
I have a crazy. Shut the fuck up and let me tell you. I have a crazy. Shut the fuck up.
It feels good now.
And let me tell you.
It feels good.
I have a crazy girl.
Okay.
You want to antagonize a bitch? You're gonna get what you asking for.
Do it.
I have a crazy girl.
Okay.
Who called and said some crazy shit.
Okay.
Okay? I'm on the phone with a girl
okay,
who is going to tell you she's lying.
Okay.
Now you're putting your hands on me
so I'm telling you to
for
stop
no fucking reason. I don't need to stop. You're here for no reason. Brooke.
Did you call? No, right?
No.
Alright. Simple as that. You have yet to let me explain to you why
I know why you're here. She told me why you were here.
You have yet to let me
You heard me explain it to the other chick.
I didn't hear nothing.
You're a fucking retard, man. You're a
nothing.
fucking bitch.
Okay.
He knows he's a bitch. He looks like a bitch. If he wasn't in his uniform, I'd rock his ass.
Okay. It's fine.
Bitch.
You think I'm scared of you?
I know you're scared of me.
I'm not.
I know you're scared. I know you're scared.
You have yet to answer my
Look, I'm going to
question.
jail today, that's for sure.
I'm trying to talk to you, right? I'm trying to talk to you.
Put your hand on me one more time.
312, where you at?
Can I ask what happened?
What?
I'm trying to talk to you.
He's not trying to talk to me.
Sit down so
All
I
he's
can
trying to do is
explain
fucking antagonize.
You want me to talk to her instead?
Go ahead.
Dude, shut the fuck up and call the officer.
What's your name, man?
I'm sorry.
No, I'm cool.
Say that again.
What is
You're
your
real
name
punk.
and what are you related to him?
This girl made this shit up, bro, and you're here, you're gonna get kicked out of our room for nothing because you're a
what's
bitch.
up with him, with the police coming out earlier and all that? I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to ask him. He's not answering.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Also, I'm not even in Clearwater.
Right. He keeps saying someone was already here. This is my first time out here, so I'm just trying to figure out what he means by that.
I have no idea. Like, I'm just trying to, I've been calling him for about an hour.
Okay.
I don't know what's happening.
Okay.
I don't know who called you guys. Can you tell me, like, what
Trying to have me Baker acted so she could get dick.
Shut up.
All right.
Shut up.
So we're getting contact that obviously he got beaten up and all that, and I guess whoever called, I'm not even sure who called in. It was anonymous. They just want to make sure he's okay.
Anonymous.
And I'm just trying to figure out, but you know he's being hostile and all that. He's starting to say
Did
that.
I just show you the text message last night where she said she was going to kill
That's what I'm trying to
herself?
figure out, you know.
Right. Am I on speakerphone?
Yeah, he put it on speaker, so I'm gonna keep it on speaker so you can hear as well.
Okay. Like, what?
Brooke, listen, don't say anything. My neighbors around here.
Fine. Why are you acting crazy?
Because all I want to do is leave. Call these dudes up some bullshit. I got cops in my face for no fucking reason.
Like I said, I haven't even explained to him,
And now I'm gonna get kicked out of my motel room. No, you guys are fucking pulling up and pulling the fuck up right in front of the fucking office, dipshit.
Like I said, I was trying to ask him, but if he's gonna be like this, then obviously I'm not, do nothing after that mess. Whatever messages he's been sending, I mean, if he wants to send me or not, show me or whatever. But if the other half shows me him, and I think it's something that I should be concerned, I'll talk to him.
I can show you the messages. I can show you the messages.
Okay, I mean...
That's fine, I'll show the messages.
Can I just talk to him for just 2 seconds?
I'll give you the phone so you can show him the messages.
I know I'm gone. I'm
You
getting
want
my shit.
you to send me the messages?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I'm going to show you this. And then I'm going to stand up and I'm going to show you. This is fucking funny. This is hilarious. Watch.
Is this what started it, the messages?
Listen, she took a fucking Billy Currington song the wrong way. Like, totally wrong. Like, real shit.
When I asked you, he was
I'll call
sizing
you
me
back,
up,
bro.
so I thought he was gonna do something, but
Okay.
I pushed him down and he sat back down. So
Okay. Yeah, Marcin said he was
Can I show you this?
He,
Can
yeah,
I
yeah.
show
Look
you
for
this?
it real quick. He did say that if he gets out, he's gonna run towards traffic.
Listen, look. Here's what it is. Can I get that? So we'll go back. She says she's changing her hand.
Which one's you that you
explain
said?
why we're here again?
Hold on,
Okay.
Yeah, she
Can
called
we go?
us.
Can we go inside?
Okay,
so
but
this
hold on.
I'm trying to get out of here as
so we
quick
can
as
get on the same
possible.
page.
Yeah.
When I got here, I was trying to explain to you what's going on, and you started getting rowdy, right?
She told.
And I'm now.
I thought you were here for a whole different reason from what she told me. The person that called.
Totally underestimated me. You see, you didn't even. I told you clearly. How many times I had to tell you? I'm trying to figure out what's going on, and you have yet to
So
tell me.
here's where it starts. Watch this. Can we go in my room? This is embarrassing. Can we?
You can have a seat right here. I don't want
I
to
don't
go
want these
inside.
people to hear this. Come on.
No, I
Have a
have to
seat.
hear. I have to hear.
You have to.
I'm gonna let
Okay,
you
that's
go.
fine. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna put everybody in my business. That's fine.
We're not trying. I'm trying to get
Next
you.
time
You guys
I'll
are
be-
fuck boys for this, man. Like,
Hey.
shit.
See, that's
What's
what's
your
going to
language?
get out of here. I'm trying to
So-
talk to you and be out of here as quick as possible. You're the one that wants-
We're going through it, right?
Okay. She sent you a video of her doing a
No,
bunch of stuff.
no,
and
no,
this and
no.
that,
Like
whatever.
that's a long time ago.
It may be. Here's the reason we're here. She's saying that you're sending her messages, sobbing and crying, that you're not going to make it, and this and that. So she called us because she thinks you're suicidal. So we're here to check on your
Let's move
welfare.
out.
That is-
Let's move out. Give
That's-
me the key, move out. I want you out. Come on. Take your stuff out.
Just go ahead and start getting your stuff. There's nothing
Yeah.
you need to show us on the phone.
Okay.
I can't believe that.
Hold on. It's locked. Hold on. And I like to give it.
I got money you owe me too, right?
I don't owe you nothing. Get your stuff and get out from here. I'll talk to your mom.
I paid for a week.
Yeah, bullshit. You didn't pay nothing.
I didn't pay nothing.
Your mama took care of the
It doesn't
room.
matter who paid for the room. I paid my mom for the room. I got a job like I told you the other day, you fucking bitch.
Get out.
Are you for the prepaid stuff that you'll refund the mom?
Hey, so I'm here with the
95 days,
police.
it's one.
Said I'm suicidal, right?
Okay.
So now this fucking whore is kicking me out of my fucking room. Because, and this
You want to go to jail?
No, I don't want to go to jail.
Then shut your mouth, hang up your phone, get your stuff, and get out of here.
This is the lady that paid.
Let's go.
She's going to refund your
Did I
mom.
give
She
you the
already
money
said
for the
that.
room, Mom? Yes or no? Have I paid you for this room?
She's giving the money back to your mom.
Yes,
She's not
yes. See there?
refunding it to
I
you.
paid for this room. Please do your
Get
shit.
out of her face.
Act like you did last night for the
Go
cops.
get your
Fuck,
stuff
boy.
now.
Here, here.
I don't want to
I'm
talk
gonna
to
go
no
pack
one.
my shit.
I don't want to talk
Oh,
to
you
no
want
one.
to talk to somebody who's relevant now?
Ma'am.
Sir, my son is psychotic.
Okay.
He is having
Listen,
like
the lady here is going to refund the money. It's going to go directly to you.
So
All
nice
right.
that
We're
you-
just trying to get that across when he doesn't want to listen to us. So no money is
Would it take you to be checked out?
no.
I don't need checked
No,
out.
no, we're not doing
Fucking
anything with him.
crazy.
He's getting his stuff and he's
I
going to be on
can
his
hear
way.
you.
He can
He
either.
has lost it, sir. He has sent stuff to a video store. He has sent stuff.
We already were out there. We investigated that earlier. He's, going through it with his ex. Like, he's saying some silly stuff, but, he's not doing anything. Okay.
Is there fucking something wrong with a motherfucker crying?
This is not him at all, sir.
Okay. Well, he's upset. People get sad when they go through breakups. It's not illegal or any reason for us to take him into custody because he's crying and he's emotional.
Oh my
Well, he
god.
hasn't said anything like that to
There's
us.
literally
And,
text messages on my phone me telling people stop worrying. Like you guys are freaking out for nothing. Fucking old ass whore.
Oh, he's angry. I mean, again, that doesn't mean that I get to take him into custody.
He's been trying to kick me out of here for 3 days and I lost my key. Fuck bitch.
He's in a mood. So we're going to let him pack his stuff and he's going to be on his way. He can give you a call a little bit later. If you want to get him into another hotel or motel or whatever, that's up to you.
I don't got the money now because I just paid for this one, you dumb bitch. I didn't pay for it. You got your head so far up your fucking ass you can't even see.
Get
your
out
stuff
from here.
now.
Go.
What the fuck you think I'm doing?
Talk to your mom like that.
He'll
I'm not talking to you like that because you're fucking stupid.
Yeah, and then she sent us again. That's why we're here now. We have to call this again. So I'm going to have a talk with her when I'm done with here. If somebody calls us and says, hey, I have concerns for this person's well-being because they're sending me
Real quick.
messages, this, that, and whatever.
Same question. It's not the chick that's been coming over here that she knows.
I know.
So she's gonna run her mouth and fuck my shit up hard
Hey,
with the
I'm
other
just trying to
chick.
figure it out, man.
So
Just
she
go.
needs to stay the fuck out of it
Okay,
and not
she
give
can
me
be
any
in
more
your
shit.
She's not even talking. She's not even talking.
Let
So
you go
get
so
your
we
stuff.
can deal with him. He'll call you when he's done.
Does the lady have to kick him out? Is my question.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, because of his behavior. Yeah, he's no longer welcome.
Stop
here.
kissing my
He comes
behavior
back
because
to
you
the
guys pull up in front of the fucking office like
So
fucking cowboys.
she's gonna refund you the money.
He literally
right?
said, I'm going to get you kicked out right now.
Okay.
Thanks, bro. Hey,
Your phone's on the chair right out here.
that's some bullshit what you did, you know that. Hope you're happy. Hope you go home tonight to your wife and your kids and maybe go to dinner and just enjoy life because you're a fuckboy.
I will.
You're still a fuckboy. Your wife knows you're a fuckboy. You don't think she knows that? She sees you every day. She knows what you're built up.
And if you haven't figured it out by now, he is just an angry, angry little boy. This goes on, back and forth, and I'm sure a lot of you are like, oh, why haven't you arrested him yet? And realistically, we don't really have solid charges at this point. I mean, maybe disorderly conduct, but it ends up being 10 times more work than it's worth. Plus, now we have to take all of his property, submit it. It's better if we can just get him out and on and move on with the
It
day.
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for legality. She has to give it back to the person who was on the credit card. She's not going to give you cash. Your mom can easily hit the ATM and give you the money back.
And then wire it for $50. You guys are fucking retarded, man. Jesus, like the shit you say don't even make sense.
Yep, that made no sense at all.
It
You're
makes
right.
no sense. I mean, realistically, why would she pay $50 extra to send me the money I paid her?
She can't just Venmo you it or Cash
My
App it.
my
Or,
mom's fucking 65. She got
Okay.
Venmo. Get the fuck out
so
of
is
here.
my mom, and she uses
Well,
Venmo.
I tell you what, your mom's smarter than my mom. Good job, bro. Good for you. Yay! You're a fucking retard. That's why you guys are fuckboys. Get my money, bitch. That's what you do. And your maintenance man out there acting all tough did what nothing last night. Where's my phone at?
It's on the chair right out here outside the door.
I hope you know I'm leaving a bad comment for this hotel. Just saying. You're getting 1 star. Hey. So these fuckboys literally told me, literally said to me, I'm gonna go get you kicked out right now. Proceeded to do that. So I'm kicked out of the hotel, bro. Can you take me to get my paycheck so I can get another fucking room, please? Standing on the
Hey, make your phone calls later. Pack your stuff and get out of here.
How can I see without my glass?
1 star.
Can you
You're
write
getting
that?
2 need glasses to see 1 star. What's your kitchen?
Oh, Florida, the heart.
1 star.
Yeah.
1 star. Okay, we gotta show
Thank
them
you.
more. 1 star. What the fuck does she think I'm doing? Like I'm just watching TV?
Well, you are taking your time, so we need to speed it up a
I
little
didn't
bit.
pay fucking $500 for the room. Like she can chill the fuck out.
No, I'm telling you, you're going to speed it up, or we're going to take it as a failure to leave, and I'll take you to jail for trespass after the
Do
morning.
what you want, man. Like I'm not. You know I'm not doing that. Like realistically, you know I'm.
You're in
doing
there
that.
cooking food in the microwave. I'm being really patient with you
I'm
right
taking
now.
my food with me. Like what am I gonna? I have nowhere to put it.
Okay.
I'm packing while it's cooking. It's not like I'm waiting on the shit. Just let her know it's gonna take a while to get this shit to the sidewalk.
Okay. Wait.
Hope you guys are enjoying every minute of this shit. Fucking piece of shit. There's some shit for your maintenance man. I know he can't afford. Tell him to keep it.
We've been outside.
Place in hell reserved for people just like you.
This woman hasn't done anything to you.
Did. She came over here and told me I was beating a chick I wasn't even beating. Her boyfriend beat her ass. And she's coming over here to see me because she doesn't want to go to his house. And this old fucking bag told me I was the one beating her. Fuck you.
Thank you.
So this is about where things wrap up. We help move some of his stuff out here to the end of the road to get him off the property, and I'm pretty sure if I remember right, he just walked literally across the street, and there's another hotel over there, and I think he was going to try and stay there. We did not come back out for him for the rest of the night, at least on my shift, so that was the last that we dealt with him. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this call? I left a lot of the stuff in here, but I actually cut out quite a bit. This was over 30 minutes long, but this is what it takes to handle these types of situations. Everybody thinks it's so simple to just arrest somebody and whisk them away, and it really isn't. I mean, as much as we'd all like to think we could do that, for him running his mouth the way he did, it would be great, but it just doesn't work that way. And that's another reason why I left a lot of this back and forth in there, is for a lot of you guys who are interested in law enforcement to see it. Listen, this is the kind of stuff we deal with on a day-to-day basis, and you need to be ready to handle these attitudes and handle some jaw jacking and not overreact and be slamming people on the ground. We just can't do it. Alright guys, well that's where I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up button. It helps get this video out to more people. It makes it easier for me to make these videos for you guys. And until the next video, take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.